In this video, I will teach you how to earn multiple $247 payments every single day, which is a new way to make money online in 2022. And the best part, even brand new beginners are cashing in, earning these $247 payments with absolutely no experience at all. How is this possible? In this video, I will show you a full step-by-step tutorial on how you can make money online in 2022 with this amazing new money-making system called My Automatic Pay. Hey, it's Dan Froelke here with a My Automatic Pay update for you today. I just wanted to shoot a very quick video for you to share with you my progress so far with My Automatic Pay. But first, Happy New Year to you. Happy 2022. I hope you and your family had a great holiday season. I hope you are excited about the new year. I know I am for sure. I'm behind the camera today because you probably hear my voice. I have a cold, all right? I don't think it's anything serious. It's just a head cold. So I just wanted to be behind the camera because I look awful. so anyway, I'll try not to sniffle and sneeze or cough. Again, I'm really excited to share with you my progress so far because the last 24 hours of 2021 were simply amazing. This is really picking up steam, and I wanted to get the word out, even though I'm sick, all right? Because I am very excited about this new year and this instant pay program called My Automatic Pay. So this is my first video of 2022, and if you are searching for a way to make money online, well, you've come to the right place, because on this channel I create videos on how to make money online using member-to-member instant pay programs like the one I'm going to review for you today, My Automatic Pay, or MAP for short. And if that resonates with you and you want to learn the necessary skills to make money online from someone who's been doing it successfully now for over 12 years while helping others do the same, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the bell to be notified every time I upload some new content. Now, chances are, if you landed on this video, then you're probably doing some research on My Automatic Pay. Maybe you're watching some My Automatic Pay reviews. Maybe you just want to know what My Automatic Pay is. Well, just recently, I recorded a full My Automatic Pay review for 2022, and I'm going to leave that at the end of this video, and it's going to look like this. And when you watch my Automatic Pay review, you're going to learn what is My Automatic Pay, what is the compensation plan, how do we make money with My Instant Pay, what are the products, and all the FAQs. So that's on that video, and again, it's going to be at the end of this video. So what I want to do today, I want to show you some results that I've gotten so far with this program, specifically over the last 24 hours and the whole month of December. Now, there's two reasons why I show income results or income proof. Number one, I want you to know that this actually works, right? And number two, I want you to know that I'm on the level to show you how to do this stuff, right? How to make money online in 2022. And for those who make the decision and want to partner up with me, I want to show you my team bonuses as well. And I've got some amazing team bonuses that I put in place that are going to help you jumpstart your MAP business. So I'll get to those bonuses in just a minute. All right. So I want to log in. I want to show you some results. But first, as usual, I have a disclaimer. The results you're going to see are not typical. These are my results. And in no way do I guarantee or imply that you will get these results, if any at all. Let's log in right now. But first, I want to show you the date. All right. Let me bring this over here. January 1st, 2022. January 1st, again, Happy New Year, guys. I am really excited about this, and let me show you some results that I've gotten so far with this system. Turn that down. I'm going to move this over just a little bit here. All right, let's log in. Okay, I'm going to scroll all the way down to the commissions. All right, and as you can see, we're starting off the year with 0, okay? I'm going to go back to December. And here we are in December. Let me put this down here. As you can see, the whole month of December, $7,410. Now, My Automatic Pay is brand new. It just launched about 6 weeks ago, and I started about 4 weeks, all right? And my very first week I started, I was on vacation. So These are my results right here for the month, $7,410. The last 24 hours, this is really picking up steam. The last 24 hours of 2021, I earned $1,976. And I'll show you that right now. Let me scroll down. As you can see right here, this has by the hours, right? 17 hours ago, 18 hours ago, 24 hours ago. And again, I want to show you the date really quickly, just so you don't think I'm pulling something over on you. Okay, it is January 1st. Okay, let me slide this over again. Again, this was 17 hours ago, 18, 21. If we go 24 hours, which is one day ago, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So $247 times 8 is $1,976 with my automatic pay. So guys, again, if you are looking to start over, you start fresh with a new program, this is it right here. I put a lot of things in place to help you out, and I'm going to go over my bonuses in just 1 minute. This system is very easy to set up, and it comes with everything. You've got capture pages, a great sales page, autoresponder with follow-up emails. You get all the training in the back office, step-by-step training, and you can market this program any way you want. We've got offline methods, we've got paid advertising, we've got free Facebook methods. I also have a lot of free methods inside my team training site, which I just created, and I will show you those soon. And these are instant pay, 100% commissions sent to your PayPal, Stripe, Venmo, Cash App, anywhere you want it to be sent. And like I mentioned earlier, I have a full review that explains all the FAQs, all the products, everything you get for $247 at the very end of this video, all right? That's why I just wanted to shoot a very quick video, because my full review is at the end of this video, and I urge you to watch that. Let's get to my amazing team bonuses right now. All right, guys, I'm super excited to show you my team bonuses for my automatic pay. When you join me, these are the bonuses you're going to get. And here's the really cool part. You can give these bonuses to people who join you as well. And I'll explain that to you in a little bit. The very first thing I have for you is an exclusive team training site with my personal step-by-step setup tutorials, traffic resources, and these are proven traffic resources that I've been using for a long time, and strategies to get you up and running and in profit fast. And for those of you who are on a limited marketing budget, I have an entire section of free marketing methods and resources. Now, I had my graphic artist working a little overtime lately because he created exclusive team banner ads and splash pages for my map team. He also created some social media ads, and I have the training that goes along with it. You can post in Facebook group, Instagram, etc. You're also going to get $597 free ad submission software. Okay, you can post ads for free on autopilot. You'll get 200 pre-written ads. You can use them for solo ads, you can post to classified ad sites, or print media. My new 2021 Craigslist training with image ads. I had him create some image ads for you because these image ads will stick a lot better on Craigslist. You'll get 5 free websites where you can advertise to thousands daily and more. I'm going to keep adding to these bonuses often. And I also put together a team traffic co-op. Now, it's a completely hands-free way of getting traffic to your capture page. Now, as always, I highly recommend that you use the online education in the back office to just learn a few skills, right? To learn how to drive traffic using Facebook, Instagram, all the social media. We have all that training in the back office. However, if you just want to put your marketing on a complete autopilot, well, my Team Traffic Co-op allows you to leverage our buying power so you can get top tier 1 traffic from a world-class solo ad provider. We're going to be using Jasdeep Singh. He owns Jasdeep Solo Ads, for those of you who don't know, and we're going to use him for our weekly Team Traffic Co-op. And this is top tier 1 buyer traffic sent right to your My Automatic Pay capture page. Now, I've personally used JazzDeep Solo ad traffic for over 3.5 years for all my online businesses that I've gotten into, and I'm really happy and pleased with his services, his traffic, and he's a really good all-around good guy. In fact, in one of my online businesses, I've earned over $330,000 using JazzDeep's traffic exclusively, and he's going to provide traffic to us at a discounted price. So it's $85 per 100 clicks. He usually charges about $100 per 100 clicks if you were to go to his website right now. He only provides top tier 1 traffic, and that's why I wanted to use him exclusively. Now, everyone who joins me and you has the exact same opportunity to purchase this quality traffic through our special payment links that JazzDeep has created for us. He's agreed to give me and our team a really good deal on his traffic. This is a hands-free, done-for-you option of getting quality traffic to your map site. All you have to do is pay for the traffic and send him your link. And after that, the map autoresponder will kick in and follow up with your prospects automatically. And you're going to absolutely love this next bonus right here. However, I'm really not sure how long I'm going to have this up, because you see, I actually reach into my pocket and pay for this traffic right here. So here's the deal. Join me in My Automatic Pay, and you're going to be added to our existing Team Traffic Co-op for free for a period of 4 weeks. That's top tier 1 traffic from JazzDeep Sing for a period of 4 weeks on me. This is for a limited time only. All right, there you have it, guys. My exclusive map team bonuses. Now, how do you like that for value? Do you think that's going to help your business out? Absolutely. I'm in this for the long haul and putting things in place to help people win. Okay, I'm going to wrap this video up right now. Thanks for hanging in there with me while I'm sick on this video here. So if you are looking for a way to make money online in 2022, if you're looking for an automated system that you can plug into and earn 100% commissions of $247 over and over again, then I want you to click the very first link in the description of this video to learn all the FAQs about My Automatic Pay. And remember, if you are looking for a complete review of My Automatic Pay, well, I'm going to leave my newest one at the end of this video, and it's going to be in the upper left-hand corner there. If you have any questions at all about MAP, leave them in the comment section below, as I always read those. Or you can just reach out to me personally. My contact information will be listed below as well. So, hey, that's all for now. Again, Happy New Year to you. I wish you guys all the best. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.